Hello, my friends. I'm so happy to see you here in the sunny Savannah. I'm excited to tell you about me. Ready for a fun adventure?
For more exciting stories like this, like, share, and subscribe to Hiba Story World.
In the savannah, warm and wide, lives a giraffe with gentle pride. He walks with steps so long and slow, where the golden grasses grow. His neck is tall, it seems to touch the fluffy clouds we love so much. He reaches up to trees so high and waves his head to birds that fly. With spotty coat of brown and gold, he looks so pretty, strong and bold. But in his heart he's calm and kind, the friendliest giraffe you'll ever find. He munches leaves both day and night, from branches high and fresh and bright. While other animals search the ground, he finds the tastiest leaves around. The monkeys chatter hello up there, the giraffe just smiles without a care. He bends his neck and greets them all, even though he is so tall. At the water hole he spreads his feet, bends down slowly for a drink so sweet. It looks quite funny, it's true to say, but that's his giraffe style way. When the sun begins to set, the sky turns orange, red and wet. He walks back home through trees so wide, with the quiet moon beside. So if you see a giraffe one day, waving his long neck your way, remember he's gentle, tall and kind, a better friend you won't find.
Hey, love ya!
I love you too.